Hey guys, I'm the Trinketeer. Today I'll be showing you how to make the most of all the different build options of the Death Korps of Krieg box set. For this build, you will need a mixture of milliput and green stuff. I use a 2-part mold to build 14 extra bodies, as the box provides only 10 bodies out of the 24 different build options. I glue a pair of extra arms on each body, sometimes having to build new arms or use old kits to complete the pair. I then add details like this little pouch, which also happens to hide visible mold lines. For the base, I cut up popsicle sticks into very small miniature boards. I create a mixture of gap filler, add black paint and small rocks. Which I then mix thoroughly. I cover the base with this mixture, then add the small boards before pushing the model onto the base. After a quick zenithal prime, I end up with a cohesive looking army.